Welcome back to another exciting chemistry lesson. Today we are going to dive into the world of bases. Whether you've heard of them in cleaning products or in soap you use every day, bases are all around us. Ready to learn about them? Let's get right into it. But before we get into the fun stuff, let's answer some basic questions. What exactly is a base in chemistry? In chemistry, a base is a substance that either accepts hydrogen ions or releases hydroxide ion when dissolved in water. In simple terms, bases are the opposite of acid. They can neutralize acid to form water and salt. Acid donates hydrogen ion, bases accept hydrogen ion or releases hydroxide ion. Now that we know what a base is, let's explore the properties of bases. First, the taste bitter. Have you ever tasted something bitter like baking soda or soap? That's the base at work. While we don't recommend tasting chemicals in the lab, baking soda, which is NaHCO3, is a common example of base you may have at home. Remember, don't try tasting chemical unless they are food safe. Another property of a base is they feel slippery. Bases are known to feel slippery or soapy to the touch. This is because they react with the oils in your skin to break them down. That's why soap, which is a base, feels slippery when you rub it between your hands. Another property is base turns litmus paper blue. Just like acid turns litmus paper red, base turn red litmus paper blue. You can test it by holding a red litmus paper and dip it into a solution of soap and water. The paper will turn blue. Let's break down how bases work on a molecular level. When a base dissolves in water, it releases hydroxide ion into the solution. This is why bases make water feel slippery and can neutralize acids. For example, when sodium hydroxide dissolves in water, it separates into sodium ions and hydroxide ions. The hydroxide ions are what give the solution its basic or alkaline properties.